Imagine this. You just bought a brand new Carrera car. Beautiful livery, all accessories on, and a wing so sharp you could slice through cheese. But Carrera tells you in their own little manual here to remove the mirrors and wings before racing. And that's where I got a problem, because if I have to take parts off the car to race it, then what I'm really doing is downgrading a model I just paid good money for.
I paid for all I can eat.
I don't want a shelf queen in my garage. I want to race my cars as they look. Wings on, mirrors on, properly finished. And if you've been around this channel for a while, you know I've already done fixes, reinforcement, and flexible wings. So check out this video up here. But something strange started happening after that. Even with the flexible materials, wings weren't just falling off, or rather they were being ripped off, to be more precise. Not the usual break, not on the weak points. These were violent breaks, snapped mounts, torn plastic. That's when I stopped blaming the cars and started watching the track. And this little thing here, this is the real problem. But let's have a closer look. Carrera barriers are held in place by these clips. But notice something. This clip sits on top of the barrier, not behind it, as you would expect it. And the height of the clip is exactly the height of a 132 slot car wing. That's not bad luck, that's geometry. Now, don't get me wrong, Carrera is brilliant. The cars are fantastic, the track system is a bit outdated for 2026, but still rock solid. And they are too German in the end of the day to believe that they don't know about this issue. But instead of fixing the barrier, the solution given is remove the wings. That's like buying a sports car and being told to take the mirrors off because the garage door is badly designed. And here is what happens at speed. Even though in first glance it seems like the wing is not coming in contact with the clip by a millimeter or so, if we add some body movement due to the centrifugal forces caused by taking a corner in speed, the wing not just hits the clip, but hooks it. The clip doesn't move, the car does. Something has to give. And it's never the barrier. Now, if you want a quick fix, here it is. You cut off the overlapping section of the clip. I know what you're thinking. Yes, that part also helps hold the barrier in place. So instead, you replace it with double-sided tape underneath. That will do the trick. Barrier stays put, wings stay on, and cars stay intact. But let's be honest, the best solution? Remove them completely. Use shoulders and build your own barriers. Foam, mesh, flexible walls, barriers that absorb impact instead of acting like a plastic guillotine. So this is not really a Carrera hate video. This is a design flaw that's been passed on to the customer to work around. And I don't think we should accept just take the parts off as a solution. These cars deserve better, and so do you. Crafty, out.